Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to schedule a post on WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's hover to this left sidebar until you can see the option for post. So for example, let's try to add a new post or create a new post by clicking on this button. So when I click on it, it will show me to the editor of the post or blog that I will be posting. So in here, you can add your title. So for example, let's just put in here dog. This is just random, and I will just head over and then just type in whatever I want for this particular one. Now, for example, I want to publish it. But for example, I also want to schedule it. So what I can do? So for example, for now, let's head over and save this as a draft. And you can also view what it will look like. Now, as you can see, there's this publish button, but when we click on it, it will directly publish our actual post. So you can see in here some apps as well as Jetpack, Astro settings, join chat, as well as settings right here. Now what you can do is you click on this option right here and you can see the option for top toolbar, spotlight, and all of these things that you have for this one. Now what we can do in this case is click on settings. Now once you have clicked on settings, you can see the option for block, but make sure to click on this post right here. Now on this post, you can see this publish immediately right here. So you can click on this immediately right here, and you can choose the time or date where you want to publish it. For example, let's publish it on Saturday, and then let's choose the time right here. You can type it out if you want as well, and you can choose AM or PM. Once you have done that, as you can see, it's been updated right here, and you can actually change what it will look like on this particular thing. Once you have done that, you can head over and click on the schedule option that you have on the above. Then click on schedule. And then as you can see, it will schedule this particular post. And it is now scheduled and it will go live on the time that we have actually chosen. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.